The story name Cap Sailor. Once there lived a cap sailor in a village. He used to sell his caps in the market and earn a living. One day he was passing a forest to reach a neighboring village. He was carrying a basket full of caps. On the way, as he felt tired, he lay under a tree to take rest. Soon he fell asleep. When the cap seller woke up after some time, he found his basket empty. All the caps were missing. He was worried. He looked everywhere and soon found the monkeys in the tree wearing the caps. The cap seller thought of a palm to collect back the caps. He knew the monkeys would imitate man, so he removed his own cap and threw it at the monkeys. They were inspired. They took off the caps they were wearing and threw them at him. He at once collected them, smiling to himself at his wisdom. He went his way with the caps.